Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Encode lock not working after battery change, battery install plus reset slash calibrate. If your Schlage Encode lock is unresponsive after a battery change, the most common culprits are poor battery contact, a loose internal wire, or a firmware glitch. So restore power by cleaning the terminals, performing a power cycle reset, and ensuring the battery pack is seated securely. So follow these steps to diagnose and fix the issue. Fix 1. Check the battery pack and terminals. First, verify that all the four premium high quality AA alkaline batteries are inserted facing the correct polarity. Then wipe down the metal contact points on the battery tray and the inside of the lock with a dry cloth to remove any oil, grease, or corrosion. Now, the Encode's battery packs occasionally suffer from poor contact due to a loose fit. So push the battery pack in firmly until you hear a click. Now, the shim trick. If your battery pack wiggles or has a loose connection, users on Reddit suggest placing a folded piece of cardboard or a small wedge of electrical tape at the top of the battery tray, as this pushes the battery contact securely against the lock's terminals. Fix 2. Perform a power cycle or soft reset. First, remove the battery pack completely. Then press and hold the exterior Schlage button for 10 to 15 seconds. Then reinsert the battery securely and test the lock. Fix 3. Check internal wiring if needed. If the lock remains completely dead, an internal wire may have become disconnected during your battery replacement. So remove the interior cover and mechanism from the door. Now carefully inspect the cable connecting the exterior keypad to the interior module to ensure it is securely seated and properly plugged in. Then reinstall the interior mechanism and retry. Fix 4. Reset and repair with the app. First, factory reset. Locate the small black reset button inside the battery compartment. Then press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lock flashes blue, indicating the reset is complete. To repair it, open the Schlage Home app and walk through the setup process while standing in close physical range to the lock. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.